Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. The missing schoolmate. Full story. A little boy, let's call him Akeem Smith, started attending primary school and was a little shy. One day at lunchtime, another little boy approached him to play a let's call him Theodore Brown. They became fast friends. The boys did everything together, and Akeem was happy to go to school to see his friend. Years passed and the boys were still inseparable. Graduation day finally came, but somehow at graduation, Theo was nowhere to be found. Akeem went on to attend high school and college, so he became very distracted with new friends, school work, and the new chapter of his life. From time to time, though, Theo would run across his mind. One day as an adult, Akeem couldn't keep his mind off Theo. This went on for weeks. Every day Theo would run across his mind, so he decided to try to get in contact with him. He checked social media and couldn't find him, so he reached out to some of his old classmates, but nobody remembered anyone by the name of Theodore Brown or Theo in their class. Akeem was thinking about his memories of Theo even more now. He felt like he needed to get in contact with him, and felt a little guilty that he just forgot about Theo after primary school. He reached out to one of his primary school teachers. Let's call him Mr. Campbell. This teacher was very well loved and knew the children well. But he couldn't recall a boy named Theodore Brown in any of the classes. Akeem felt a little bit upset that everyone just forgot about Theo, so he called his primary school. He insisted that they check the school records to find out about a student by the name of Theodore Brown that was in his year. They found Akeem Smith's name, but didn't find any record of a student that goes by the name of Theodore Brown in his year. Akeem couldn't believe what he was hearing. As the lady spoke on the phone, he could picture Theo in his mind clearly. He could remember how they used to hang out and play. Maybe they made a mistake and messed up the school records. To this day, Akeem can find no record of Theo even attending his school. Memories of his childhood friends still plagues his mind like a bad dream. He sometimes wonders if Theodore was a Duppy. Follow Jamaican True Stories on YouTube. Link in bio.